this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in positive MACD. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we also remain in positive MACD. We're resting right along the 18-moving average, this purple line at a price of $5.67. As with the daily chart, we are in positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. And as for the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $18.21, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $20.91. My stop loss is at $17.31. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $21.63. My sell target is at $19.21, and my stop loss is at $22.40. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, natural gas has a 42% chance to climb between 0 to 9%, a 17% chance to climb between 9 to 17%. To the downside, it has a 25% chance to fall between 0 to negative 9%, and a 17% chance to fall between negative 9 to negative 17%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.